I'm not exactly if that is a, I don't know what kind of bird that is. There was more here, but just as I pulled up, they all flew away except for this one. Is that what they call Turkey Vulture? It could be, I don't know. It don't seem to me. I think it is Turkey Vulture. Yeah. I believe that is what it is a Turkey Vulture. He's watching me and I'm watching him. Maybe he's blocking the road, saying you're not going anywhere. Because he's right in the middle of the road. See, there's one side, and there's the other side. Oh, there they flew.